Okay, the last dimension to the definition of pragmatics is it is the study of degree of relative distance. Relative distance has to do with the concept of closeness. How very close or far we are to certain people determines the interpretation of meaning of our own conversation between them. So therefore, there are three different types of distance. It could be physical distance, it could be conceptual distance, it could be psychological distance, and it could be social distance. If we are distant socially, then our understanding of the world could differ. If we are distant physically, our understanding of the world also differs. If we are distant conceptually, also our understanding of the world differs. So now let's take a look at these examples to understand how distance affects the interpretation of meaning. In the first example is a conversation between A and B. A says, "Do you like this?" He asks B, "Do you like this?" And B says, "No, it is too soft." So for us to determine the meaning of this conversation, for B to be able to make sense, to make inference of the speaker's intention, that is A's intention, B has to be physically close to A. Therefore, this here could mean a carpet, it could be a guitar, it could be a cup, it could be something that is within the immediate context, that is the dielectric center of the two interlocutors. Let's look at another example. Okay, A says, "Here we accept cash," and B answers by okay. So therefore, for B to infer where here is, B has to be in the same dielectric center or dielectric location with A. They have to share the same physical distance. Let's look at 3. "You people are always like this." A says, "You people are always like this." And B answered by saying, "You should talk to the poor with respect." So now, how is A able to infer that you people here refers to the poor people? It is because of the social distance between A and B. There is a social distance between A and B. A is definitely rich and B is poor, or someone that considers the status of poor people. So therefore, by saying "you people are always like this," B immediately infers that A is becoming condescending, is trying to speak with contempt about the poor. These "you people" could be interpreted, the meaning of "you people" could be interpreted to be poor people. And therefore, B understands that immediately through inference. And therefore, he responded by telling A that he should talk to the poor with respect.